everybody. Welcome to P4 Assembly.
Today, we're going to present what they have learned in the previous unit. Please
enjoy.
Today, we will practice our vocal cords. We will start from the lowest note to the highest. You follow after me. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha.
Excellent job, everybody.
Good job.
Matthew, may I talk to you, please?
Okay, master.
You have made an excellent job. Although some of your notes are off, I encourage you to practice more with your friends.
Okay, master. Hi, Abby. Would you like to practice with me? Yes.
It was already on.
Yes, Matthew. I'd love to practice with you. Let's go. Okay, I'll start first and you follow. Ya ha 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 ha. Ya ha 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 ha. Again. Ya ha 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 ha. See, I can't do this. I'm not good at this.
Matthew, your voice is amazing. You can't say that you're not good at this. That is a fixed mindset. But you can't say you're not good at this yet. That is a growth mindset. We only tried 2 times. Let's do it again. You may not be good at it yet, but by practicing, you'll eventually get the best result.
Okay, I will try again. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was amazing. Good job, Matthew. A few days later.
Okay, everyone, may I have your attention? Today is our first choir competition. Get ready. Hello, hello. Welcome to our inter-school choir competition. The first performer is the P4 choir team from Regality Academy. Ya ha 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 ha.
Yeah,
Ya ha 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 ha.
yeah.
Ya ha 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 ha. One, 2, 3.
Here we stand, here we sing. 7 habits up to the top, holding hands. Together we sing. 7 habits of the people. Habit number 1, be proactive. Habit number 2, we keep an end in mind. Habit number 3, put